out! Welcome to my vlog. Going to Chiang Mai. Let's go.
Welcome to my vlog. We're here at the airport, but still waiting for our taxi. Time check. It's 3:03 a.m. Ang lamig. Ang lamig pala dito sa Chiang Mai. The B&B that allowed us to do an early check-in, but then canceled that. That guy said, unfortunately, there's a last-minute book. A bit quiet, yeah. But not like.
This is how you open the UID. Oop. Wow! Amazing! So amazing! Thank you so much! I'm going 57 and that's amazing. Let's go. What to buy? BBQ. What else? Shukapan. Is this suman or Wagyu beef?
May microwave ba?
Recommended. I think ito yun. Bulldog Rose.
Hindi ko, paano siya 40 pesos na?
Kaya nga, ito masarap. Gusto ko to. Maybe this one. Sarap naman ang soup. Corn. Ito. Ay, yan. Gusto ko yan. Oh God. Love. Of course, my favorite. Double chocolate. Let's go. 30 grams of food. Or ito, share tayo. Fried. Ito.
Sa presyo lang.
Ano naman ito? Big bag.
Day 1 in Thailand. 7-Eleven.